Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chevy Equinox faster. We'll start by looking at fundamental modifications that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. Understanding these basic upgrades is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their Equinox's speed and responsiveness. We'll cover everything from engine adjustments to simple component swaps, giving you a solid foundation for your performance journey. Next, let's dive into engine and exhaust modifications. A high-flow exhaust system not only sounds great but also helps your engine breathe better, freeing up horsepower. For a more dramatic boost, consider forced induction like a turbocharger or supercharger. Don't forget smaller, yet impactful, upgrades like performance spark plugs and ignition coils for optimal engine efficiency.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, whether you're waiting for parts or just relaxing. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, let's talk about getting that power to the ground and maintaining control. Upgrading your transmission can ensure power is delivered more effectively, while performance tires are essential for maximizing grip during acceleration and cornering. Enhancing your suspension with stiffer components will reduce body roll, giving you a more stable and responsive driving experience, especially at higher speeds. Every pound counts when you're chasing speed, so weight reduction is key. Removing non-essential items from your interior can make a noticeable difference. Swapping to lightweight brake rotors also reduces rotational mass, improving acceleration and braking. Furthermore, aerodynamic body kits can help your Equinox cut through the air more efficiently, reducing drag and potentially increasing top speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.